Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the Algebra 1 concept of solving systems of equations. This is standard A.5C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 39 of the 2016 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we need to find a solution to the system of equations. That means if we were to graph this, right, where would these two meet? We're looking for the x and the y coordinate because you notice we've got coordinate pairs down here. Well, we can use either elimination or substitution, but they have already teed it up for us. Substitution makes the most sense. Since this is the same system of equations, that means that we're sharing an x and a y, which means, look, they've already given us something that y equals. Let's plug this right into here, because now that's going to eliminate y as a variable, and I'm just going to be solving for x. So let's rewrite this. So 10x minus, and I'm going to take all of this right here, minus 13x 2 plus 92, all right, equals 53. Now we need to do a little bit of simplification here. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and just distribute this out. So I'm going to do 10x minus, and then I've got a minus 13x. So that's actually going to be a plus, right? So 13 halves x. Then I've got a minus, and then I've got a 92 over 2. So that's 46. So that's going to end up being a minus because I got a negative and a positive, minus 46. So that's really what I did, is I just distributed out that divided by 2 into both of those, took care of my positive and negative. All right, so now what I need to do is I need to combine like terms, okay? So that 13.5 is really 6.5, okay? So just to make it easier, I'm going to go ahead and make it a decimal. So that's going to be 16.5x minus 46 equals 53. Let's go ahead and add 46 to both sides. All right, that's going to get me 16.5x equals, wow, 99. All right, that's pretty good. So let's just divide both sides by 16.5, see what we get here. All right, so 99 divided by 16.5 gets us a nice equals 6. All right, so x equals 6. Now, there's only one answer solution that actually, gives us an x of 6. But let's just go ahead and verify, right? So what we do to find our y, let's say there were multiple answers that had 6 as the x coordinate. You plug it into either one of these. So let's plug it into that first one that looks a little bit easier. So 10 times 6 minus y equals 53, because what I'm doing now is I want to solve for y. So 60 minus y equals 53. I subtract 60 from both sides. All right, so negative y equals negative 7. Now you might be thinking, wait, I thought it was supposed to be positive 7. It is. You can't have a negative y, so we end up needing to multiply both sides by negative 1. And guess what you get? Y equals 7. You also could have done it if we put that 6 into the second one. So I get negative 13, x of 6, plus 92 over 2. So this negative 13 times 6, right? So that's going to be negative 78 plus 92, or just think of it 92 minus 78, okay? So 92 minus 78, well, guess what? That's 14. 14 over 2. Yeah, either way you look at it, we are going to go ahead and look at 7. So our solution is actually, when we're looking at a solution for a system of equations, it's actually going to be an x and y coordinate. So it's going to be 6, 7, right? Because we've got our x value of 6. And then either way we plugged in our 6, either in the first or second equation, we got a y value of 7. So that's our answer A.